Hi friends, welcome to Smiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain about operators in Tableau. Let's get started. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical operations in Tableau. Tableau has a number of operators which can be used to create calculated fields based on our need. We have four types of operators in Tableau. They are general operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. General operators help us perform the addition and subtraction. Whenever we need to add two numbers or concatenate strings, we can use the plus symbol. And when we want to get the difference of two numbers, then we can go with the subtraction symbol. Arithmetic operators are multiplication and division, percentile and power, which is the symbol of cap. We can perform arithmetic operations by using the symbols star, slash, percentile and cap. Relational operators. Relational operators help us compare the data. We have four different type of relational operators. One is double equal to or equal to, and the next one is not equal to and greater than and less than symbol. We can perform comparison operators or comparison operations using relational operators. And the next is logical operators. We have three logical operators in Tableau. One is AND, other one is OR, and the next one is NOT. Using these operators, we get the result as Boolean values. Like, for example, if we want to combine two statements or two conditions, we can use AND. And if we want to check whether the first condition or if the first condition is true or the second condition is true, then we can go with the OR operator. And if we want a particular date or a particular condition to be matched with something or not matched with something, then we can go with not. So we can use this logical operators AND, OR, NOT, and we can get the result as Boolean values, which is nothing but true or false. Yeah, this is how we can use the operators in Tableau. Let me elaborate each and every operator in my next video. I don't want the videos to be lengthy and make you get bored of my lengthy videos, so I'm summarizing the types of operators and stopping it over here. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Smiles 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.